In this video, I'll guide you through how to update the Claude Desktop app so you always have the latest features and improvements without needing to dig through settings or menus. Claude Desktop is designed to keep itself up to date automatically so you don't have to manage manual downloads or installers. Think of it as a self-healing app. Every time you open it, it quietly checks whether there's a newer version available, and if there is, it handles almost everything for you in the background. Here's what actually happens. Whenever you launch the Claude Desktop app, it reaches out to the servers to see if a new version has been released. This check is automatic. You don't need to click anything or change any configuration. As long as your internet connection is working, the app will verify whether you're on the latest version each time it starts up. If an update is available, the download begins silently in the background. You can keep using Claude as usual while this happens. There's no need to pause your work or wait on a progress bar. The app is designed so that the update process doesn't interrupt your current session and you can continue chatting, drafting, or working on whatever you were doing. Once the new version has finished downloading, Claude will let you know that it's ready to be installed. You'll typically see a blue banner across the top of the window or a small notification near the corner of the app with a message along the lines of "A new version of Claude is ready, restart to apply." This is your cue that the update is complete and just needs a quick restart of the app to finish installing. At this point, you have a choice. If you're in the middle of something important, you can ignore the banner for the moment and keep working. The update won't force itself on you right away. However, the new version won't actually take effect until you close and reopen the app. So when you reach a natural stopping point, go ahead and quit Claude Desktop and then launch it again. When you restart the app, it will apply the downloaded update automatically. There's no separate installer to run and no extra confirmation needed. After that restart, you'll be running the latest version. Behind the scenes, the same background check will continue. So the next time an update is released, the process repeats. Check on launch, download silently, then prompt you to restart when it's ready. If you don't see a banner or notification, that usually means one of two things. Either you're already on the latest version or the app hasn't found a new update since the last time it checked. As long as you open Claude Desktop regularly and you're connected to the internet, you don't need to do anything else to stay current. To quickly recap in practical terms, just use Claude Desktop as you normally would. Each time you open it, it checks for updates. If a new version is available, it downloads quietly in the background. When it's ready, you'll see a message telling you that a new version is ready and prompting you to restart. Once you close and reopen the app, the update is applied and you're good to go.